In the rapidly evolving cap manufacturing sector, are you facing critical challenges? Soaring energy costs eroding profits, production bottlenecks limiting market expansion, quality instability and unreliable production lines? CrownJet was born to solve these challenges. We don't just deliver machines, we provide end-to-end solutions that redefine your productivity and drive sustained profitability. High upfront investment and ever-growing order volumes often force you to make tough trade-offs between capacity and cost. CrownJet changes the game. With revolutionary technology, we have consistently broken the cap injection cycle barrier, reaching under 4 seconds, joining the global elite 4-second club. This is not simply about speed, it's enabled by our proprietary innovations: synchronized mold opening ejection, synchronized mold opening plasticizing valve. These dual functions advance multiple processes in parallel, eliminating non-productive time and pushing each cycle's efficiency to the limit. For example, with a 29/25 1.2 gram cap, our 32 cavity mold easily produces 28,000 plus caps per hour. Upgraded to 48 cavities, output exceeds 43,000 caps per hour. This means you achieve unprecedented capacity with smarter investment, seizing market opportunities and accelerating ROI. Meanwhile, high energy costs silently eat away at your profits. CrownJet provides a disruptive answer. Beyond speed, we are true masters of energy efficiency. Leveraging our electric melt injection system, we deliver lightning-fast injection speed and precision molding with outstanding energy performance. In the screw heating section, we apply state-of-the-art infrared nano-insulation heaters, boosting heating efficiency and drastically reducing energy consumption. Together, these advanced technologies reduce unit energy consumption by up to 40% compared to conventional 24-cavity compression lines. For example, with a 29/25 1.2 gram cap and a 32 cavity mold, CrownJet achieves a stable 3.95 second cycle with unit energy consumption as low as 0.798 kilowatt hours per kilogram versus 1.3 kilowatt hours per kilogram on traditional systems. These aren't just numbers, they translate into significant, tangible savings in your operating costs. Are you concerned about unstable product quality or long-term reliability? At CrownJet, we know quality is the lifeline of your brand, and the mold is the heart of cap production. Our molds are engineered for high-speed cycles, with innovative, efficient water cooling designs perfectly tuned for ultra-fast production. Using premium mold steels and optimized structures, they guarantee stability under high-intensity, high-frequency production with long service life. Every CrownJet mold is built with millimeter-level precision machining, full data traceable processes, and ultra-tight tolerances, ensuring minimal weight deviation and maximum dimensional repeatability, safeguarding perfection in every cap. The CrownJet injection molding machine itself is also built far beyond industry standards. From the electric melt system to the dedicated hydraulic circuits for caps, every component delivers powerful yet precise energy and material flow. With a full lifecycle data traceability system, every part can be tracked, ensuring extreme stability and reliability through continuous, high-frequency production. Choosing CrownJet means choosing premium quality and peace of mind. From concept to production, you need a trusted partner with full turnkey capabilities. CrownJet provides not just standalone machines, but complete end-to-end solutions backed by years of industry experience. From project planning, cap design optimization, equipment selection, to full line integration, installation, training, and after-sales service, we ensure your project goes from blueprint to reality seamlessly and worry-free. Every system undergoes rigorous factory acceptance testing FAT before shipment, guaranteeing flawless performance. Even better, CrownJet is not limited to a single product. We stably and efficiently produce a wide range of high-quality caps across multiple industries, from drinking water, carbonated beverages, juices, edible oils, and condiments to personal care and household chemicals. One machine, multiple applications, empowering you to expand business boundaries and meet diverse market demands. Contact us today to unleash the full productivity of your factory.